Origami tulip flower for class 2. We will use craft color papers. Craft color papers are small in size like square papers. Like this we will get the papers for the craft color papers this in this size. And A4 color papers. A4 color papers you will get from the market like this. In the page you have got the drawing page size. The colorful papers. First we will take the paper, colorful papers, and we will fold the paper from the center, cut from the center, cut from the center, and we will get the papers like this, colorful papers. After cutting the papers, after this we will fold the paper, take the paper, this one, and we will put the paper in the triangle shape which match the edges, this one. Make the paper in the square shape. Like this we will get the papers. We will get the papers like this. And we will take the paper, one paper, we will fold from the center. If the paper is not triangle, some paper are coming out, cut the paper with a scissor, make the paper square, and we will fold the paper from the center, fold from the center like this. And we will fold the paper from the between, from the center again, like this. We will fold the paper. First we have what done? First we have fold the paper like this, then turn the paper and fold the paper like this. After this, on the fold paper, you will fold the paper like this. Like this you can fold the paper, or you make the small size. So take the paper small, fold the paper, fold the paper, and cut the paper, and the paper becomes small. So you can fold the paper like this again, and between the two papers, in the two lines, this one, this line, we will fold the paper like this. This side and opposite side same. We will fold the paper, and we will make the flowers like this. These are the flowers we will make, colorful flowers. And we will take paper, take the paper away like this. From the green paper we will cut the strips. We will cut the strips like this. Take the paper, all papers, cut from the center, one small or big you can also take, one big and one small. See the edge like this, one small and one big also you can cut the paper. After this we will take the red paper or any color paper, fold it from the center like this, and cut the paper. Like this we will cut, and we make a like a shape, give the shape of the boat here. Like this we will give the shape. This is the like the shape of the boat, or you can say this is the bowl. You have seen the pot, and we will put the gum here. We will take the scale and give the one gap here, and after this we will stick the in the center. We will stick the pot. After that we will take the strips. Like this we will stick the strips. Like this, small, big. We will stick the. After that we will take the flowers. After that we will take the flowers and put the gum. And we will stick the flowers like this. Same on the other also. Inside the paper, inside the paper of the square, no, like this we will stick the flowers, and we will take also the some dark green paper, and we will cut the leaves. We will cut the leaves like shape of like this, shape like this. Like this we will stick the leaves, dark color leaves. So one shape of gig I have done for you on the like this page. Stick like this, or you can make the paper like this.